fast fashion. As you can see, we are really going crazy over here, me and my daughter. So yes, and basically she suggested me to wear this, which I bought like 3 years back when she was really like tiny baby, and these two headbands actually. And now she said that Mama, we should wear these, and she said that I should wear this flowery thing. I know I'm looking mad, but it's okay. It's gonna be really fun. So
And that's for your surprise.
yeah. And that's a Christmas tree. It's basically, I just love celebrating festivals, and each and every festival I try to celebrate because she also loves. So I just want her to know everything about each and every festival, what we celebrate in India. So yes, it's a Christmas tree, an orchid tree, which we decorate every year. This Christmas is really special because we all 25 Indian YouTubers are collaborating over the Christmas, and we are doing whatnot, DIYs, recipes, makeup, lookbook, hairstyles, comedy, act, and yes, so much. So it is really fun, and I am one, so rest of 24 YouTubers, link will be in my description box with their name and the link. So go guys, after watching my video, go and watch their videos. Do subscribe, like and comment on their videos too. And yes, on my, hope you enjoyed this Christmas special video with my daughter, because I have planned a Christmas tag video where I'm going to ask her a few questions, and she is very spontaneous and she just loves peeping into my videos. So I thought I should do something with her over the Christmas. I have like list of few questions where I will be asking her questions, and let's see what she has to say. So Swada, are you excited for this video?
Yeah.
You want to say some Merry Christmas thing to everyone? Say loudly.
Merry Christmas!
Yes, that's the spirit. So, are you ready for the questions?
Yeah.
Excited? Sure. You will give me the correct replies now. Okay. Who you love the most?
Mama.
Okay. But I don't think so you love me.
I love you.
Seriously? Seriously? I think you love your dada most.
I love you.
Okay. So what is your favorite holiday movie? If it's a holiday, it's like a Christmas day or any other holiday, which movie you would like to watch?
Sallu.
Sallu. Who is Sallu?
Salman Khan.
Say Salman Khan, lovely.
Salman Khan.
Yes. So, and speak loudly, okay? What are the favorite Christmas colors for you? Do you like red, gold or silver?
Silver.
Silver, very good. Okay, so do you like to stay in your pajamas or you want to really dress up for the Christmas?
Nicely dressed up.
Nicely dress up? What dress you want to wear?
This frock.
This frock. Okay, cool. So if you could only buy one person a present, if like you have to buy one person a present, for whom you will buy a present or a gift over the Christmas?
For Mama.
Guys, I think I am putting her into a video, so she's like, bribing me for that. Really? You want to gift me? Cool. And what would be that gift? What you will gift me?
Makeup related.
Okay. Okay.
Like flower gift.
You want to give me flowers?
Oh, so sweet. So
Okay.
when I go to outside, I get for you 2 flowers.
2 flowers? Thank you. Okay, so next is, do you like opening your presents on Christmas evening or Christmas morning?
Evening.
Evening? You want to open your presents? Okay. By the way, Swatha, I have something for you. Christmas gift.
Yeah?
You know that?
Yeah, I know.
You know that? That's crazy.
I know.
That's
I
crazy.
don't know.
You don't know? Okay, there's something surprise just behind me there on the Christmas tree. You can peep and see. Giving expressions to the camera. You saw the packet? There is something inside the packet. You want to see? I'll give you later. Okay? So, what do you like to do on Christmas break? Like you want to go for shopping, you want to watch a movie, you want to like have a party or something. What do you want to do?
Movie.
You want to go for movie? Okay, cool. I'll take you a movie. I'll take you a movie, okay? Wishes you have?
Happy. Great happiness.
Great happiness. Oh my god. From where she's getting all those answers, like crazy girl. You want happiness for everyone?
Yeah.
Or just for yourself?
Only all.
For everyone. That's so sweet. That's a beautiful heart you have, Swada. Okay. So, what smell of food you like the most? If it's a Christmas dinner, what Mama should cook? What smell of food Mama cook you like the most? If I cook on
Cake.
Christmas cake.
No, I like paneer tikka.
Oh, you like paneer tikka? Yummy, yummy. Fine. Done. I'll cook paneer tikka. Okay. So, and what is your favorite meal? Like what you want to have on Christmas? Anything special?
Just cupcakes.
Cupcakes, but you're not supposed to have cupcakes, baby. Then what else? Any sweet?
Yeah, sweets.
What else sweet you can? Mama can make for you. Tell me. I can make some
Gajar ka halwa.
gajar halwa. Awesome! I can make gajar halwa for you. Done. Okay. So cool. And okay, now some mommy questions.
I get a mommy
Okay. Okay. So spontaneous questions I have for you. Like, you know what is Mama's favorite color?
Yeah,
What?
red.
She got it right. Okay.
Red.
Look there,
Red.
crazy girl. Red, cool. And what is Mama's favorite flower?
Flower. Rose.
No. I like jasmines.
Jasmine.
It's okay. That's okay. Now I'll start liking rose. Because my baby likes rose. You like rose? Okay.
I like marigold also.
You like marigold also? You should not look at the mirror. You should look
I
there.
like marigold also.
Okay, you like marigolds? Okay, next is I should ask next question to you.
But bolo. What mama what like to eat? What like to eat?
Mama, what like to eat?
Yeah.
No, I like actually everything. You know? It should be vegetarian, that's it. But Mama likes to eat.
Like pastries.
Yes, I love pastries.
Yeah.
But Mama don't eat much of pastries because my baby gets sick because of the cake and pastries, right? So Mama also don't have it, right? So yes, I forgot something. I
Yeah.
have to give you a gift.
Yeah.
Wait. Where is the gift? Where is the gift? This is for you. You don't want to see what's there? Oh my god. You will break it, seriously. So this is a small makeup kit which she actually had earlier too, but it was kind of over and old, so I just
Mama,
wanted to have a new one.
diamonds also.
Yeah, we will do. Let everyone see this, what it is. You like it?
Yeah.
Happy? Happy? Super happy? So this is
I
Christmas
want
gift.
one more surprise.
What? Oh my god! Thank you, Swada! So she is also giving me this little pony surprise. Oh my god! I just love this little pony. And I love you too. Give me let Mama give you a kissy. Oh my god. Yeah, you got a cheeky, red cheeky. Okay, fine. So yes, all my beautiful friends and all, this is what Christmas tag is all about, and all festivals are about happiness, about enjoying blessings, and lots of love everywhere, positivity and the spirit and everything. So yes, I just love celebrating festivals. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed today's video with my little munchkin, and look there and say Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! So yes, and take care till my next video, and yep, that's it. Love your life, love your family. We love you all. Bye.
Bye.